Miyabe-yabe la ring sablang empleyado na ning Laos Group of Companies o LGC king Annual Awards and New Year Celebration na merapat king Laos Group Event Center Sabado, January 13, 2024. Mikitemo yang sigasig, buklod, punyagi at bayanihan ang pamikatago na magnasang ipakit pamisan metong bang ibalaus ng legasiya na ning founder ay Mr. Levi P. Laus.
Our victories for the past 5 years were not built on luck or privilege. On the contrary, it is a testament to the bedrock of this company, the legacy of our founding chairman, Levi P. Laus, which he cemented in the first 40 years of the LausGroup. LPL instilled culture, values, and programs, which we continue to practice until today. An organization called LGC, of learning, of goal setting, and of community.
Agpaging President at CEO na ning LGC ay Lisette Laos Velasco, lakwas na pakanumpasik na nga ning alang kaparang customer service experience ang metong karing pagmanakol ng core values ning kumpanya.
In 2024, customer experience will continue to be our North Star. We will weave the warmth of the greeting, Malaos ko po, or please come in or welcome in Kapampangan. And agyaman kami unay, thank you in Ilocano, into every interaction, turning transactions into meaningful connections. We will listen, respond, and go the extra mile not just to satisfy them, but to generously pour out our pusong Pinoy to all our dear clients, whether locals or expats.
Makasadya mo naman kanuing Laos Group of Companies na ipakatali mo king bangsa nung nakimabilo gaya ito yung gelingan na ning Pilipino.
Kapwa ko ka-LGC, kapwa ko Pinoy, the world is watching. Let's show them what Filipino excellence truly means. Mabuhay ang Pilipino, mabuhay ang Laos Group, mabuhay tayong lahat in 2024. Maraming salamat.
Yakupin kaya kayong talasuyo, JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.